What is going on, guys? Pinky Tech over here, and today we're gonna do a sound test on Eacan X9. So we got so first of all, we're gonna take a look at both speaker. Right here it is a basic speaker. So we got a 3-part speaker. So, and down there have a Eacan speaker woofer. So we're gonna look at here. So this is where the bass comes up. You can hear there's a hole there. And so we're gonna start a review now. So this speaker actually you can buy at a pretty cheap price. It's pretty affordable price. So if you might want to get a speaker, you can get both pairs of this. You can say the sound is pretty sharp and it has a pretty good clarity. You can hear it as clear as the music pumps out. And the woofer also gives you a pretty much punch. And here. As far as I can say, both speakers are pretty amazing and have a pretty good quality of music at the price of it. So we're gonna try a hardstyle song.
You should have acted. They are already here.
Mention, guys, when bought this pair of speaker, it comes with a volume rock thing. You can control your volume right here. You can see from here there's a mute here. You can just switch off once you don't have to listen to music, and got a pretty similar controller right here. So as volume just I put just now is actually not even a half. It's only a 1/4. So if I put on half, it will begin explode more. I mean, it will go even louder, obviously. So we're gonna try putting on a half. So that's the half of the speaker. If I go even more higher, I think neighbor will start to complain that you know what's gonna happen, guys. So I'm gonna try it anyways, don't care about that. So
until the time after oblivion,
and here we got
the sons of
you can put
Skyrim
your audio dock, put on your earphone on it. So yeah, so get ready for the drop, guys.
But there is one they fear. He is Headhunters, Dragonborn.
actually now right here is actually of quick, can cause of quick vibrate the ground. So yeah, so that's it for this quick video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And oh yeah, I forgot to mention one thing, that Eacan, it is actually a brand that distributed by China, so it is made in China, and brand, of course, it is a China company. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, remember give us a thumbs up. Say, have any questions, comment down below. So alright guys, have a good day.